In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write offers with Docusign as a Florida realtor. By the end of this session, you will be equipped to create an employment offer letter with ease using this powerful digital platform. So let's dive in and make your document signing process more efficient and user-friendly. To get started first, navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leading provider of electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management solutions. It's a trusted tool by millions around the world for quickly and securely getting agreements signed. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log in. Simply click on the login button, which you'll typically find at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials, taking a moment to ensure your details are correct, and proceed to your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. Here you'll see an overview of your recent documents, templates, and actions you can take. To create a new offer, click on the Home tab at the top of your screen. This will bring you to a central dashboard where you can manage various document tasks efficiently. From the home screen, find the option Browse All Templates. Clicking this will take you to a vast collection of pre-developed templates designed to meet various professional needs. This library is a fantastic resource to save time and ensure your documents have a professional structure and appearance. In the search bar of the templates section, type in employment. This will refine the search results to show templates related to employment documents. Once you see the results, identify and click on the employment offer letter template. This template is crafted to help formalize job offers clearly and professionally, saving you the need to start from scratch. With the employment offer letter template now selected, the next step is to add it to your workspace. Click on Add Selected. This action will bring the template into your working area, allowing you to edit and customize it according to the specifics of the job offer you're creating. Make sure to fill in all necessary fields accurately, such as the recipient's details and any other relevant information specific to the offer. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of writing an offer using Docusign as a Florida realtor. By following these steps, you can streamline your workflow, reduce errors, and get offers written and signed faster than ever before. Thank you for watching, and happy signing with Docusign.